folks, this is all for today. First of all, let me say a very big thank you to Dr. Bonkers himself for letting me try these great IR files. If you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to directly support me, don't forget to listen to my instrumental solo album Musa and my hybrid practice band project Awareness EP. They're out now and they are available on all digital platforms: iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, Tidal, Amazon Music, Google Music, you name it. And of course, you can find my quick song intros that I make for my YouTube videos on my Bandcamp page. If you're a bedroom producer like me, don't forget to take a look at my Facebook group, MSIMs and VST plugins for metalheads. It's a great community, it's growing more and more every day. There are more than 1,600 members now, and you'll always get updates for new VST plugin releases. So once again folks, thanks for watching and see you the next time!